This is an introduction to the Wavefront LIMS Report Designer. The Wavefront Report Designer is a tool for designing reports and publishing reports to LIMS for general use. The Wavefront Report Designer is unique in that it does not require a programming background to use, unlike many traditional tools that require coding or database design knowledge, for example. The Wavefront Report Designer is linked directly into the Wavefront LIMS system, doing all the database access behind the scenes so you don't have to. Because the database level complexity is pushed to the background, it is simple for non-programmers to create or edit reports without going to the IT department or to Wavefront for basic report development. This report designer offers a friendly user interface with drag-and-drop functionality and layout tools for simple formatting. Let's load an example report. Here is a report created using the Wavefront Report Designer. We have imported the company logo, added some line art, and used formatting functionality to make part of the report bold, larger, and equally spaced. Project level fields, sample level fields, and the actual measurements make up the body of this report. This electronic signature field, here, is another feature available in the Report Designer. It allows a user to sign a report by entering their login information into a field in LIMS. The Report Designer then automatically loads their signature onto the report when it is executed. Changing a label or adding additional information to a report is simple and easy. Updates in LIMS are instantly reflected in the Report Designer. This means that if a LIMS administrator adds a new field to the system, say a field on the sample screen, it is instantly available to the report author to incorporate into the report. This offers a very large amount of flexibility to the user. To add a new field, we simply select it from the list on the right and place it on the report. Let's display the units of these measurements. We can label this field and line it up with the others in just a few seconds. When you're finished creating or editing the report can be saved to output as an Excel, PDF, Word, TIFF, or HTML report. When you save the report, you are publishing it to the LIMS, giving any users with appropriate permissions the ability to run that report. Reports are executed directly from the LIMS program. Our example report is a project-level report, so we simply click on a project to run our report. The information in LIMS for this project, sample, and test is applied to our report template. Notice the changes we just made, adding the measurement units, are reflected on this report. In addition to the many standard reports you can design using the Wavefront Report Designer, there are several other forms that can be designed to enhance your lab. The Report Designer can be used to create labels and supports barcoding. Here we see an example sample label with a barcode that was created using the Wavefront Report Designer. This concludes our brief overview of the Wavefront Report Designer, a tool which allows LIMS administrators and power users to create reports without needing database or programming expertise.